I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. So I have a mini desktop computer, and this one is a Lenovo Ideal Center, and you can see we have two USB ports along with mic and audio input, and also at the back we have another multimedia port, mic or audio line in. This is the charging port. We have Ethernet. We also have 4 USB ports. This is a USB mouse adapter here, and we have a VGA port as well. So we having a hard drive issue. We having a hard drive issue with this device, so we are going to take this apart. So for us taking this apart, we need to remove these two screws here, and we have two screws by the side here as well, and we also have two in the front of it. We are going to take this apart. Here. So guys, this is it. This is the mini computer. You can see our CMOS battery here, the fan, memory, motherboard, and also the hard drive. So we're going to remove this. So we are out with the hard drive, and I am going to test this hard drive by hooking it up to my computer. And you can use one of these extension wire, USB wire, and I'm going to hook this up to my computer, and so you can actually hear that song that the hard drive detected. The hard drive detected, guys, and everything is functional with the hard drive, but we do have some issues with the Windows system, and the hard drive wasn't detecting. So what we just need to do, we just need to ensure that everything is connected properly when we put back in the hard drive in the correct position. You just need to ensure that everything is in properly. So we had a lot of dirt on the memory card, guys. So I'm going to put back in the memory card. Then I'm going to put back up the screws and I'm going to fit back up the computer. We're going to hook this up to a monitor. And this is what we're gonna do. So we are going to put back these screws in. Okay guys, so I'm going to plug in the power card so let's go turn it on. And I have an old monitor here. We can see Windows is starting. Before we wasn't getting anything like that. It was only booting straight to BIOS. We were not able to boot the computer, so I thought that we had a hard drive issue. So what I did, I reset the hard drive, and also I cleaned the memory as well. So here we are. You can see that Windows saying welcome there, and the computer is kicking again. I believe that the memory wanted to clean, and also the hard drive wasn't in properly, so we can see that everything is on there. And this is what it stated. It stated that Windows detected a hard drive problem, and it is asking us to back up files immediately to prevent any loss of information and so forth and so on. So it says that our hard drive will need to be repaired or replace the disk. Repair or replace the disk. So definitely guys, we had a hard drive issue. Definitely I will be just formatting it and upgrading the OS system on it. So guys, my name is Lens. Hope that this was a helpful video to you in some way, and I'll see you soon. Do like, share and subscribe.